CP right here.
I'm back, baby. What's up?
Yeah, he back. And basically what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be driving around and giving y'all examples and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's not hesitate and get the fuck on the road.
Go.
Today we're sitting here driving around and my boy CP is driving this car and I'm just basically trailing right behind him with my car that probably needs an oil change and whatnot. But I looked at the car and I said it's not a transmission issue, it just probably needs a change of filter and stuff, because I realized that the transmission has a different fuel fluid in there, so that's why it's running a bit different. But yeah, me and my boy CP having some fun right now. It's not, if this video doesn't come out perfect, I do like to apologize, because I'm actually in the middle of driving as well. But I gotta be careful here while I'm doing stuff. But I wish I had my tripod on me. I really wish I did, because this process would be completely different. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. You heard that, but I need to get my oil change and stuff on his car, and after that, I can do whatnot. I mean, she ain't perfect, but like I said again, things are subject to change. But I'm not too worried about it, because I got most of the stuff I have is under control, so I'm not necessarily worried about that. But the car that's in front of me right now that CP is driving is an 04 Grand Am not Pontiac. It is a Chevrolet Monte Carlo, and the car looks really good. But I'm gonna spend a little bit of time with him, and I gotta cut loose, because considering the fact that I gotta go back and get sign some paper, papers and stuff like that. And yes, it's not bad though. Yep, yes sir. This may not be the best video, but it's better than nothing, but I like the guy, because me and him are just chilling and whatnot. So anything that's besides that, all right. Gotcha. But he just instructed me that we're gonna go on a different block and floor it, and we're gonna cut loose, because like I said, it's different. Alright. But he just told me that we're gonna go around the block and do whatnot, but you can tell his car is filthy. And I don't have time to clean this car today, because like I told you, I gotta clean this car and stuff. Well, I got to clean the car, but I just need to sign some papers. And that's about that. Now I gotta get my mom some candy. So other than that, that's pretty much about it. You'll see in a second. Alright, so I'm back, and we're gonna be doing a 0 to 60 on this car. So yep, it's supposed to be coming up in a second. So he just gave me signals and whatnot. You see him giving the signal and anyway, but it's not bad though. Go. So we're just trailing behind them and seeing what's going on. This man hit the curb. Oh my god, I pulled it right past him.
I got you.
There we go. That man.
It's been a while. Was it fun?
Yeah, it was a good time, you know?
Good. Get the video rolling, right?
Hey, that's all you can really do, you know?
Yeah.
Shit.
That's like motherfucking road. Dude, it was $6 fucking bucks. Dude, I had a cheeseburger and a large fry. I'd say it's gotta be $8. It's $6.42.
Gotcha.
It's the cheapest food in probably the entire area.
I'm gonna do a fast clean on your car real quick.
Over there?
Yep. Alright, y'all. So I just got this car cleaned up. Now I'm gonna sit back. I mean, she looks really good. She does. Clean up the wheels for them and stuff like that. I'm about to get ready to roll up out of here because I had to go back and sign some papers, and after I do that, then I'm gonna change my oil on the car and get the transmission cleaned. Get the transmission fluid changed on her. So, with that being said, I'm gonna be heading out, and I'm gonna talk to you all in the car. All right. And now, check out part 2.